Climate change is taking China by storm. This year, China was one of the many countries to see the worst of nature's wrath. From torrential rains resulting in the worst floods in Chinese history to typhoons and sandstorms engulfing Chinese cities. Let's take a look at the catastrophes that struck China. China's central province of Henan, which is home to 5 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, received record rainfall in the month of July. The floods that ensued claimed the lives of at least 300 people. The capital city of Henan, Zhengzhou, was hit hardest with a reported 292 deaths and 47 people missing. The economic losses were estimated at $18 billion. On 21 July 2021, Beijing's National Cultural Heritage Administration released emergency funding worth $77,000 to support local rescue operations. Heavy rains resulted in massive flooding and landslides across the northwestern province of Shaanxi. Over 23,000 people had to be evacuated to safety. The precipitation was recorded at 171.8 millimeters. The rain led to horrific floods, which damaged a total of 116 townships, besides damaging crops and infrastructure. Apart from floods and torrential rains, Typhoon Shantu wreaked havoc in China, disrupting livelihoods in multiple provinces across the country in September. Around 3.6 lakh people were evacuated from Shanghai as the city was struck by Typhoon Infa. The tropical cyclone brought along heavy rainfall and record floods in China and its neighboring countries. Only a few days into battling deadly floods and typhoons, China saw a massive 300-feet wall of sand cover the entire city of Dunhuang in Gansu province, reducing visibility to less than 20 feet across the region. As the sandstorm moved forward, gradually swallowing up high-rise buildings, an alarm was raised among the commuters. A similar sandstorm was seen in the northwestern Chinese city of Hotuan as residents struggled through the dust storm that had swept the city. China has been plagued by natural disasters for several years. Experts have blamed rapid urbanization as a major cause behind the unfolding of extreme weather events in the country. China's developed cities and areas have exposed land covered with concrete for years now. This makes it harder for rainwater to drain through and results in waterlogging. As per a World Bank report, lack of insurance hampers recovery from natural disasters in China, which largely relies upon government-provided relief programs and public donations. Insurance claims account for less than 1% of direct economic losses for large-scale disasters in China. As per a study, there is a lack of awareness and interest towards accepting disaster insurance among Chinese citizens. There is an urgent need of better computerized systems which look into risk factors and analyze potential damage. Facing fresh outbreaks of COVID-19 in the midst of a global pandemic, China bore the brunt of all these disasters, which has slowed its economy down. Retail sales growth has reduced by 2.5% from a year ago. This is 7% lower than what had been estimated. The country's economy has lost its momentum due to recent events. As per an analysis by Goldman Sachs, China's real GDP in the third quarter has dropped to 2.3% from 5.8%.